Hello and welcome back to the video of handy gifts. In today's video you'll see how to make a gift for Mother's Day. I won't tell what it is now, you can see it in the video. So without wasting time, let's begin. So here are the things we need. Firstly, we have this ribbon, that is golden color ribbon. You can take any color, that's fine. Next we have these black cardboard cards which I've cut out. I'll let you know why I'll be using this soon. Next we have these 3D stickers. And finally, the main part of this video is this sweet box which you can see. It also has slots, so it's better you take a sweet box which has slots like this. And here there's it has been given by someone, so that's why it's written there. So that also will be covered soon. I'll let you know how. So now let's start with decoration. Firstly, to cover that brand name, I'll be using this cardboard card which I have cut out. Let's stick this to the middle of that part, and here you go, it is stuck. Now we'll be sticking this 3D sticker over that. Why I stuck the black card when I'm going to stick the sticker is because the sticker is transparent at the back, so that would have been seen the brand name. So to hide that, I put the black color cardboard card, and over this I stuck this 3D sticker. Now let's go to the next part of the decoration of this box, that is this ribbon. I've marked how much I want already. You can see the marking, I hope so. So now I'll be cutting this ribbon to this mark, and here you go, it's cut. This I'll be sticking to the front. As you can see those magnet thing. So to hide that part, I am going to stick this ribbon over that. So here you go, it is stuck and ready. By the way, I am using hot glue gun to stick all of these, so you can use whichever glue you think will stick it properly. And now this card I'm going to stick here where it's written Eid Mubarak, so there I'll be sticking it. Here you go, it's ready. So this clip I already had, so I'll be keeping this clip inside this box. This is a hair clip, so I'll be keeping it inside. I think I'll keep it in the middle, it'll look good. So this you can use as an accessory box, hair clips, anything. So this was one gift idea, but wait, don't go anywhere, there's another gift idea ahead of this. So do watch that and then I'll get back to you. So these are the things we need. First is the glass bottle, and then comes the glass liner. This glass liner which you can use for the design. Finally, the glass colors. The glass liner comes along with the glass colors, so you don't have to buy it separately. So firstly, I'll be making the design on the glass bottle using this glass liner. So let's start with the base. I'll explain the design now itself. Firstly, I'll be putting a circle at the base, as you can see now, and over that I'll be putting triangles using 3 points, as you'll see it ahead. So yes, you can see the design now in some time. So here you go, the design is ready. But remember, you'll have to keep this for drying at least for 1.5 to 2 hours so that it dries properly and we can color the parts. And finally, this circle at the top is what you have to do. So now you'll have to keep it for drying. Keep it this way, and remember you'll have to keep it for 2 hours. So here you go, the outlines are dried. So now we can start coloring. There are 6 colors in this, so you can use it however you want. I prefer not to keep same color consequently, so I'll try to make it as colorful as possible. I mean, the same color won't come next to each other. So yes, here you go. Remember to keep the fan on while you're painting, and also when you keep it for drying, keep a stone or something so that it doesn't move. And this also you'll have to keep it for drying for at least 2 hours so that it dries properly, so that you can color the other side. So one side is dried. Now we can start with the other side, and that also you'll have to dry for 2 hours at least. So here you go, both the sides the color are done and dried. So this is how the bottle looks after the painting. I don't know if it's come good. I liked it, so I hope you'll like it too. You can use any design you want. I like this design, so I tried this one. Look at the inside, it looks so beautiful. Just loved it. And this is the outside of the bottle. This is also beautiful. So these were the 2 gift ideas for Mother's Day. I hope you liked it. I enjoyed making these 2. So yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.